Hi there! Welcome to the step-by-step guide on how to use Adobe Scan, the powerful mobile app that turns your smartphone into a high-quality scanner. Whether you need to scan documents, receipts, business cards, or even handwritten notes, Adobe Scan makes the process seamless and efficient. Let's get started. First, you need to download Adobe Scan on App Store if you're on iPhone or from Google Play Store if you're on Android. So just search there, Adobe Scan. For a scanner, it should be this one. And since I've already installed it, I'll just click open. You also need to grant necessary permission for camera and storage. Now to scan, you may click on the camera icon here. Since iPhone camera is not available for Mac and it's not possible for screen mirroring, I will just use my phone first to capture a file, and then later on I'll get back to you after I have captured a text or a document that I want to scan. Now I have already scanned an image using my phone, and then the app will automatically detect the edges and capture the document. And we can also manually take the picture by tapping the shutter button. If needed, we can adjust the corners to fine-tune the scan. We can also rotate it if we want. Edit text is only available if you have upgraded your free plan. Now you may also choose filters here if you want to have it in original color, in auto color, vintage look, light text, warm color, cool color. It's up to your likeness. We can also adjust the brightness and the contrast if you want, but if you're okay with it, you'll be fine. Let me just go back to the filters and have it back to its original color because I'm already satisfied with this one. And once you're okay with the settings, you can click Save PDF. Now your scan will be automatically stored in Adobe Document Cloud, making it accessible from any device. After this one, you can share your scan via email. Just click on the share button here. So we may share it through email, messaging apps, or upload it to cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox. Adobe Scan comes with optical character recognition or OCR, which allows you to extract text from your scanned document. So just click on the file again and then highlight it. Highlight the text here, and you may copy and paste this text into a document, email, or note. And this is perfect for digitizing printed or handwritten content. And that's it. You now know how to scan, edit, save, and share documents using Adobe Scan. It's a simple yet powerful tool that makes scanning on the go effortless. Give it a try today and transform your paper documents into digital files in seconds. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials.